Criterion was able to eliminate expensive gaskets, O-rings, and mechanical fasteners by designing and building both 3- and 7-axis laser welding systems. Each machine is programmable to adjust the laser beam size, power, and feed speeds. Several material types can be laser welded together, including clear-to-clear parts. The laser welded joints have been tested and approved for underwater, high-impact, and pressurized applications. This process reduces overall assembly cost and has improved performance for many applications. Criterion also boasts programmable ultrasonic welding systems that are portable and can be set up for single-piece flow production. The workstations can include in-process pressure testing to verify the weld joint strength and integrity. For more information, please visit our website at www.ctioptics.com.